Hi, welcome back to KINTECH, the channel that brings you all the cool tech stuff. So, in this video, I'll be showing you guys some of the socket keys that you should know as an IT student. So, basically, the socket keys that we'll be looking at in this video is all the socket keys from Microsoft Word. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. That's it, Microsoft Word keyboard shortcuts. That's it. From my right, you can see the description, and from my left is the shortcut keys for Microsoft Word. First, we have Ctrl+O. What does it mean? From the description, toggle 6 pts of spacing above the paragraph. Ctrl+A, select all page contents. Ctrl+B, bold highlighted selection. Ctrl+C, copy text, copy selected text. Ctrl+D, open the font preference window. Ctrl+E, align the line or select text to the center of the screen. Ctrl+F, open find box. Ctrl+I, italic highlight selection. Ctrl+J, align the selected text or line to justify the screen. Ctrl+K, insert a hyperlink. There are many more, so let's scroll down and then see. Ctrl+L, align the line or selection text to the left of the screen. Ctrl+M, indent the paragraph. Ctrl+N, open a new blank document window. Ctrl+O, open the dialog box or page for selecting a file to open. Ctrl+P, open the print window. Ctrl+R, align the line or selected text to the right of the screen. Ctrl+S, save the open document like Shift+F12. Alt+F, A, save the document under a different file name or save as. Not Alt+X, show the unique code of a highlighted character. Ctrl+T, create a hanging indent. Ctrl+U, underline the selected text. Ctrl+V, paste. Ctrl+W, close the current open document. Ctrl+X, cut selected text. Ctrl+Y, redo the last action performed. Ctrl+Z, undo last action. Ctrl+Alt+D, insert endnote into document. Ctrl+Alt+F, insert footnote into a document. Ctrl+Alt+N, switch to the draft view. Ctrl+Alt+O, switch to the outline view. Ctrl+Alt+P, switch to the print preview. Ctrl+Alt+S, toggles between normal and split mode. Ctrl+Shift+A, sets the selected text to all capital letters. Ctrl+Shift+D, adds double underline to the selected text. Ctrl+Shift+F, open front window to change the font. Ctrl+Shift+L, quickly create a bullet list. Ctrl+Del, delete word to the right of cursor. Ctrl+Backspace, delete word to the left of cursor. Ctrl+End, move the cursor to the end of the document. Ctrl+Home, move the cursor to the beginning of the document. Ctrl+Spacebar, remove all formatting on highlighted text. Ctrl+Shift+Space creates hard space. Ctrl+Enter, insert a page break. Ctrl+1 single page line, Ctrl+2 double space line, Ctrl+5 1.5 line spacing, Ctrl+equal set selected text as subject, Ctrl+Shift+equal set selected text as a superscript, Ctrl+Alt+T insert trademark symbol, Ctrl+Alt+1 changes text to heading 1, Ctrl+Alt+2 change text to heading 2, Ctrl+Alt+3 changes text to heading 3, Ctrl+Alt+F2 open new document, Ctrl+F1 show or hide the ribbon task, Ctrl+F2 display the print preview, Ctrl+F3 copy the selected text or graphic into Spike, Ctrl+F9 create a new field code formatting map in Microsoft Word, Ctrl+F12 opens document, Ctrl+Shift+F3 paste anything copied into Spike, Ctrl+Shift+F5 open bookmark window to view and edit bookmarks, Ctrl+Shift+F6 switch to another open Microsoft Word document, Ctrl+Shift+F9 unlink a linked field or text, Ctrl+Shift+F12 print the document. We have more to cover in Microsoft Word keyboard shortcuts, but for now this is what I have to show you. That brings us to the end of this video. So if you enjoy or learn something new here in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech updates like the one you're watching. Love you all and bye for now.